Managing your hard drive partitions can be tricky, deleting files, extending drives, migrating OS. One mistake, and boom, your data is gone. But what if I told you there's a powerful, beginner-friendly tool that handles all this with just a few clicks? Meet MiniTool Partition Wizard, your all-in-one disk management solution. MiniTool Partition Wizard is a powerful partition management software designed for both beginners and pros. Whether you're looking to resize partitions, migrate your OS, recover lost data, or test disk performance, this tool covers it all, and it's trusted by millions worldwide. Before we begin, I want to let you know that this video is made in collaboration with MiniTool, who kindly provided a license to test and review their software honestly. All opinions are my own, and trust me, it's powerful. Download and install the tool from the link provided in the description. What sets MiniTool apart is its clean interface, powerful tools, and reliable performance. Here you will see all the drives connected to your PC. Let's test this tool on this 60 GB Toshiba drive. On the left-hand side, we have all the features we can perform with the Partition Wizard, like migrate OS to new SSD or HDD, copy partition, copy disk, recover partition, convert MBR to GPT, rebuild MBR, wipe disk, surface test, disk properties, and data recovery. Today we will test some of these features in real time to showcase the power of MiniTool Partition Wizard. I'll be covering both free and pro features, so if you don't see an option in your version, it might be part of the pro plan. Let's create a new partition. We can format the drive into various file systems, such as FAT32, exFAT, NTFS, ext2, ext3, and 4. I'm going to format it into FAT32 file system for testing. Set partition label to anything and hit OK. Click Apply to save the changes. It's done. Our disk is formatted into a FAT32 file system successfully. We can verify it in Properties. Now I've copied some data into this drive to test some key features of this tool. Let's try to convert this drive from FAT32 to NTFS without data loss and without reformatting. Click Start and operation will be started instantly. Click Yes to dismount the drive. Conversion completed successfully. Let's verify our data. Our data is safe. Let's verify file system and properties. And now it's NTFS. It's time to test another feature, convert MBR to GPT without data loss. For that, simply right-click on the disk and click Convert MBR disk to GPT disk. Click Apply and then Yes to save changes. It's done. Let's verify our data. Our data is available and safe. The disk is converted to GPT from MBR successfully and without data loss. The next feature to test is Move or Resize Disk without format or data loss. Assume we have a disk with a formatted partition and some unallocated space. And it has data, and we want to resize or move partition without data loss. Open the MiniTool Partition Wizard. Right-click on the formatted partition and click the Move or Resize Partition option. Move the slider right or left to resize the partition. You can also move partitions between unallocated spaces, but generally we use this feature to increase the size of the partition. Click OK when you are satisfied. Click Apply, and then Yes to save pending operations. It's done very quickly. Let's verify if our data is available or not. The disk size has changed and our data is also available. Disk management also confirms the changes. Now we have two partitions with data. First partition has 3 video files and the second has only 1 video file, and we want to merge these partitions. Right-click any of the partitions and click Merge. Please note, this feature only works with NTFS partitions. If you want to merge FAT partitions, you need to convert them to NTFS first to perform this action. Select the correct disk from the list and click Next. First partition is already selected from the previous page. Now select the second partition we want to merge with. We can change the name of the folder, which will keep the content of the selected partition after the merger. Click Finish to preview the changes. Apply to save the changes. Let's verify the changes. Both partitions merged successfully, and the data of both drives is also safe. Next feature is Extend Partition. Extending a partition typically involves increasing its size by using unallocated space on the same disk, either adjacent to the partition or by merging it with another partition. This is commonly done when a drive is running out of space or when you need to allocate more space for a specific application or data storage. Right-click on partition you want to extend and click Extend. Now move the slider left or right to increase or decrease the size of the partitions. You will notice the size changes here. When satisfied, click OK. This action will take some time, depending on the size and speed of the disk or SSD. Here we can see, our target partition has been extended to 40 gigabytes, and as always, our data is safe. Now we are testing split partition feature. We have a partition with some data and 54 gigabytes of free space. Splitting a partition involves dividing a single hard drive partition into 2 or more separate partitions. This can be done to organize data, allocate space for different purposes, or improve performance. Right-click on the partition and click Split. Move the split slider left or right, or put values to split the partitions. Click OK and then apply changes. Our data is intact and partition splits perfectly. Partition recovery is the process of restoring lost or deleted partitions on a hard drive or other storage device. This can be necessary due to accidental deletion, formatting errors, or other issues that render a partition inaccessible. Let's delete partitions on our test hard drive and try to recover deleted partitions. Here we can see our partitions are gone, along with the data. Open MiniTool Partition Wizard. Right-click on the target disk or access the Partition Recovery Wizard from the left-hand sidebar. Click Next. Select the target disk from the list and click Next. It is recommended to scan the full disk. Click Next. Leave it to quick scan and click Next. And boom, it finds the lost partitions in no time. Select both partitions and click Finish. Now click Apply to save changes. Partitions do not appear in Windows Explorer. Don't worry, we have to assign drive letters to them. Right-click on each partition, click Change Letter to assign drive letters. Apply to save changes. We've got our partitions back, along with data. There are also some more awesome features like migrating your OS to an HDD or SSD, copying your system partition, converting your OS disk to GPT, and even powerful data recovery tools. Because of these features, I truly believe this software is worth buying. I personally recommend the Pro Ultimate version, which comes with lifetime upgrades and can be used on up to 5 PCs. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description below and get this amazing and powerful disk management software today. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, if you want the full power of this amazing disk management software, grab the Pro Ultimate version with lifetime upgrades for up to 5 PCs from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.